My name is Nick Heinen, Inside Sales Manager here at Kurt Joa. I have been with the company for 24 years. To meet today's high demands in production, that means making sure your equipment is running as efficient as possible with a high focus on quality. 3 of our major kit offerings center around improving existing assets and the efficiency of the machines, unplanned events and being able to recover from those events quickly and efficiently, and also planned maintenance schedules. So the value add kits that center around unplanned events, nobody wants to see a failure on machines, but in the event that it does happen, our value add kits aim to get your machines maintained and back up and running as quickly and efficiently as possible. Another value add kit that we offer really centers around planned maintenance schedules. By having these kits in your warehouse and easily and efficiently and quickly installed on your machines, that allows parts and assemblies to come off of your machines and to be returned to Joa for service and rebuilding and addition back into your circulation of planned maintenance parts. Another type of our value add kit really centers around existing assets that might be in your production facility that are a little bit older, and how these kits can be integrated onto these assets to improve efficiency, process control, and throughput. You may have an idea for a Joa value add kit for your machine. We invite you to reach out to Kurt Joa to discuss the possibility of putting together a solution for your existing machines.